What's up guys, my name's Olivia Leonard and I'm currently a Mary Kay social media intern. And this week I'm challenging myself to see how many Mary Kay products I can fit into my everyday routine, all while taking you on a week of my internship.
Let's survive the Monday work day together. I'm throwing on some foundation and covering extra dark spots with a concealer. Is it just me or has anyone else been obsessed with the blush sticks lately? It just gives a natural glowy look. I love it. And I just bring the whole look together by adding a little color and shine to my lip. I'm just gonna throw on some mascara real quick. I can't skip this. It makes such a difference. To finish everything off, I use the setting spray, and just like that, now we're ready to head into the office.
Hi guys, we're currently in Mary Kay's bathroom and we are gonna be filming TikTok content, and I'm currently with a fellow intern.
Hi, I'm Ella and I am an intern for the Global Brand Creative team. And yeah, right now we have our lip glosses right now, which I absolutely love.
Tuesdays are dedicated to content creation days, so we spend the day bringing different TikTok concepts to life, capturing product shots, and collaborating with the creative team. It's always so fun to see the behind the scenes look at the entire process. Oh hi, there's Mark and Cece. Hi Mark, hi Cece. I've been seeing everyone get on the eye patch trend and I had FOMO, so I had to hop on the trend.
So I'm gonna leave these on for 20 minutes and then I'm gonna come back and take them off for you guys. So the last thing I'm gonna use tonight for my reset, I'm gonna put on a charcoal mask.
Because I wear makeup every day to work, my skin just always feels gross. This mask just helps me unclog my pores.
Happy Wednesday, guys. We're off to work today, about to make the commute over to the Mary Kay building. I have all my stuff ready. I'm gonna eat breakfast in the car, so yeah.
This is my cute workspace. My team decorated my desk as a thoughtful welcome. And to start the morning, I had to print some things off and put away a couple of boxes. Guys, the office in here is so big. I always get so lost. After carrying all those boxes, my hands are definitely needing some Mary Kay satin hands, and I'm ready to start the rest of my day. It's finally lunchtime. I usually bring my own lunchbox because I'm trying to be that healthy girl, you know.
Eating outside with a fellow intern. I have sushi for lunch.
After lunch, I made my to-do list for the rest of the afternoon. Before catching up on emails, I gave my lips a little refresh with the Mary Kay Satin Lips Shea Butter Balm. Literally, my lips feel super moisturized. I always carry this in my bag. A little behind the scenes here. I wrote personalized cards to include with PR boxes that were being sent out. I always feel like a personal touch makes these packages feel extra special.
It's Thursday, and after a full day in the office, it's time to reset. First things first, I'm gonna use some micellar water and take off all this makeup.
This makes taking off my makeup so quick and gentle.
I just think this is such a pretty color.
Now let's hydrate that skin and add some moisture back after a long day in the office air.
Fridays you get to work from home, and what better way than right by the pool? I'm gonna put on some SPF 30 to make sure my skin doesn't get burnt.
It's so important to apply sunscreen to protect your skin before going outside in the sun. If you're not doing this, please start, and let your friends know too. Basically today, I wrote a script and came up with the video concept ideas and recorded some by the pool. After spending some time outside, I decided to head back inside and apply some after sun replenishing gel to help soothe and refresh my skin. Now that I got a little reset, it's time to get back to work.
So I just changed into some work clothes and I'm about to take my Friday afternoon meeting.
At the end of the week, I used 18 products, which honestly is surprising because I thought I used way less than that. And that's how my week is as an intern here at Mary Kay. Thank you for hanging out with me, and don't forget to like and subscribe below.